Asin po, kapaligiran. Ganda na kanta na to. Kaganda ng mga kanta ng araw eh. I'm seeing the best of 70s, 80s, 90s. Sama na po natin ang 60s. Hello po to, Star Maker Followers. Thank you po sa repost kay Star Leo sa kanyang recommendation. Hello Star Leo, thank you for your recommendation. Manong by song. And thank you po sa visit ng aking tinampa. Thank you po Star Maker Followers sa inyong hearts, comments, reposts. God bless you all po. YouTubers, thank you for watching. Followers, YouTube followers, mothers in travel 2025, and first timer viewers po. Philippines outside Canada.